Hey learners, welcome back to your own channel Learning Peace. We are back with our series Daily English Conversation and a fresh segment. Today's scene is a conversation between students Aarav and Meera in the school library. So let's dive in. Hey Meera, do you know where I can find books on space science? Of course, they are in the science section, second shelf on the right. Guy, are you planning to become an astronaut? Not yet, but we have a project on science exploration. I thought reading something extra might help. That's smart. Extra reading always gives you an edge. Which topic are you focusing on? I chose life on Mars. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Yes, I read an article saying scientists found traces of water there. Imagine humans living on Mars one day. Wow, that would be like a second Earth. Would you go if you given a chance? Only if I can carry my library along. Then Mars will be full of books and science, just like this library. Hope you enjoyed today's conversation. So, what did we learn today? First, learn to speak politely. Do you know where I can find? Second, add humor to keep conversations friendly. Third, use everyday situations for natural English practice. Fourth, knowledge grows when you share and discuss. 5. Reading is a powerful habit for language and imagination. Thanks a lot for watching this video. We'll meet in the next one. Till then, bye. And yes, don't forget to comment below what topic would you like for the next segment of Daily Conversation series. And yes guys, don't forget like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye.